Okay, yeah. Morning, folks. This time around, I'm taking you through a revision series of concepts that were covered in Term 1. I hope you guys will find this interesting, and remember to visit the channel for more video clips that are done to assist you in developing your understanding in mathematics. I mean, this series is going to come in parts, so about 9 clips that I'll do to cover up all that you can find in Term 1 mathematics. So let's start. So you can see there is a paper that we'll go through together. This is a non-calculator paper, implying that we don't need a calculator to solve this. So the first question, we are required to write the number 20,000 in figures. I mean, straightforward, 20,000, it will be like that. Then next, we are interested in writing the number 0.07 as a percentage. So as a percentage, we are simply taking 0.07, we multiply it by 100. So our decimal place will move 2 steps to the right. So it will be 7%. Then moving on, we want it as a fraction. So as a fraction, we are simply saying what we have as a percentage is just 7 out of 100. So that's it as a fraction. There's no better way of simplifying it. Then in standard form, where we have 0.07, so we want our comma to move 2 steps to the right. So the first significant figure is 7 times 10 to the power, we count the number of steps that we moved, but because you're moving to the right, that will be minus 2. Right, so moving on, we want to write down all the factors of 18. So the procedure that we pick is we take 18 and the first factor is going to be 1. So we will say 18 divided by 1. The result that we get, we write it at the end. So that's another factor there. Then we try 2 because 18 is even. So when we divide it by 2, the result is 9. So it means 9 is also a factor. Then we move on to 3. 3 is a factor, so when it divides 18, gets in 6 times. We try 4, 4 doesn't, 5 doesn't, so we've already reached 6. So all these are the complete factors of 18. Right, moving on, find the value of 10 to the power 3. Well, 10 to the power 3, if our base is 10, it's simply 1, and we count the number of zeros, which will correspond to our indice that we have there. So our indice for this case is 3, so it means it's 1 and 3 zeros. That will give us 1,000. Then the next problem here, we are interested in the cube root of 27. Which number can we multiply by itself 3 times, giving us 27? That number is 3 itself. Then the C part is say 7 to the power 0. So given that the base is not 0, any other number to the power 0, the result is a 1. So it looks like that's it on our first series of the Form 1 mathematics. So catch us on the second part. Okay.